So on the smartphone side of things, where the question is not about the business model, it's a different question. There, the issue is what's happening on the litigation front and the geopolitical front, where we unfortunately have, for instance, China not really playing with the same rules as other nations have been doing. What has been happening over the years is that the Chinese government has been subsidizing its industry. It has a very articulated 5-year plan to become the technology power and the dominating technology power of the world and the economic power of the world. And what has been happening is that we have seen dramatic changes in the top 10 smartphone vendors. And I think today we could probably say that out of the top 10, something like 7, 8 are Chinese OEMs. And so we have different dynamics there. It's not about bringing the suppliers to the discussion table. It's more about maybe bringing the government to the discussion table. And it's taking the form of these anti-suit injunctions and these jurisdictional grabs, if I will, which are a little unprecedented. And I think it's unfortunately a very risky development for global standards and global business models, because obviously we will have other nations which are not necessarily entirely happy about the rules being tilted this way. So what can we do in terms of sort of regulation, and what should the European Commission do? I think what's happening in the European courts in UK, in the Netherlands, in Germany, where a lot of patent cases are being tried, is actually exactly what we should be doing. We should be constraining holdout behavior because we can't afford to have holdout behavior, because if patent holders are not getting the FRAND royalty, the reward for their innovation, it's not going to be very healthy for the standardization and the innovation activities.